At the Hernia Center of Southern California, we treat all types of hernias, including ones that are very standard or very classical hernias to the very complex. But what's important with any hernia is really catering the approach to what's necessary to take care of the problem. This means that when we approach your hernia, we look at the whole aspect. We look at both technically what's needed to fix the hernia, and we look at yourself as a person to see what needs to be done to give you the best results from your repair. There may be other things that are needed in complex hernias. This could be additional imaging studies, CAT scans, MRIs, determine what is the best surgical approach. But when we see you for your complex hernia, we take all these factors into consideration to treat you as an individual.